Hey beauties, in today's tutorial I'm showing how I go from thin flat hair to big volume curls. So lately I have been enjoying silk presses. I washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I'm going to follow up with some of the Too Chic Ultra Sleek leave-in conditioner. Then I'm following up with the Blowout Styling Mist. And I'm using my Conair blow dryer to blow dry my hair. And all products will be listed in the description box down below.
So easily, not till I see what this could be eternity or just a week. Our chemistry is off the chain, it's perfect now. Will it change? This ain't a yes, this ain't a no. Just do your thing, let's see how we go.
Once my hair is fully dry, I'm following up with a Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. Now I'm ready to press out my hair, and I'm using the Andis Hot Comb to do that. I like to start off by pressing out the perimeter of each section. Then I'll go back and press out that section, taking small thin pieces.
It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two.
Don't succeed. You can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again. Don't succeed. You can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again.
Now when I'm doing my silk presses, I prefer to press my hair out with a hot comb because I just have more control over it, and because my hair is 4C, I need those combs to go through. But if you notice, once I pass the comb through, I flip up the hot comb and allow the back of the end of the barrel to flatten out the hair. And that's how you get a nice press, because the back end is what's pressing out your hair and not the comb. Now this is what my hair is looking like once I'm done pressing it out, and now let's get to adding some volume to this hair. Now I'm going to be doing that by using some clip-ins, and these are Yuniffe Yaki Straight Clip-ins, and they are 14 inches long. Now this is an Amazon store. Now you do get 7 clip-ins with your order. And right off bat, I already knew there was not going to be enough hair to complete my whole head, but I was still being optimistic, and I continued to go ahead and place these clip-ins in.
Without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you.
Now I do love the thickness of these clip-ins, and the texture matches my hair perfectly.
To you and to me, but I can't let it go so easily. Not till I see what this could be.
Now I went ahead and placed all the clip-ins in, and just like I thought, 7 was not going to be enough. I wish they would have had a set of 9. It would have been a perfect amount, but I decided to just take the clip-in out the back and add it to the top.
What about the next day?
using my flat irons from Douvolle to go ahead and put in some nice big volume curls.
To you, you into me, but I can't let it go so easily. Not till I see what this could be eternity or just a week. But our chemistry is off the chain. It's perfect now. Will it change? This ain't a yes, this ain't a no. Just do your thing. Let's see how we go. How we go. How we go. How we go. How we go.
It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you.
You don't succeed. Oh, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again. You don't succeed. Oh, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again.
It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two.
You don't succeed. Oh, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again. You don't succeed. Oh, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again. I don't wanna throw it all away. I might be shy on the first day. What about the next day?
And this is the completed look, guys. I am in love with this texture and this hair curled so pretty. But right in the back, I could have used about 2 more clips to hide that demarcation. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this style. Like this video and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.